Coming up, of course, are Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Pune. Mumbai being the most expensive city of India. Imagine if you could call a hotel suite your home for life. A key to a hotel branded residence means just that. You check into a home that is run exactly like a hotel, but its own private residence. The concept of hotel branded residences is the latest trend to take over big realty players in India. Is there appetite for these 20 crore plus properties? Vasudha Sharma finds out.
You can check out any time you like, but you can never leave. Such is the charm and luxury of owning a branded home that's managed by a hotel chain. Taking inspiration from the likes of London's Bulgari, New York's Baccarat to Thailand's Ritz-Carlton residences, Indian real estate players are tying up with global hospitality chains to develop bespoke, limited edition hotel branded residences across cities like Noida, Gurgaon, Mumbai and Bengaluru. A branded residence is typically linked to an adjoining hotel and enjoys full hotel-style services like 24-hour concierge, chauffeurs, housekeeping, private elevators, gourmet dining and a world of extraordinary experiences.
This is the finest, and if you can drink wine, you can drink beer and you can drink champagne. And then there's the nicest champagne. This is one of them.
In the market, you can see the 3C company developing 180 Four Seasons branded residences at their Delhi One project in Noida, costing about 20 crores each.
Everybody loves luxuries, right? You want to experience it. There's no better brand than the Four Seasons to experience it. I always tell my friends that the luxury residentials of the Four Seasons, it's like living in a Four Seasons presidential suite into 5 times for life.
Private equity fund IREO is developing Grand Hyatt residences on Golf Course Extension Road in Gurgaon, costing upwards of 12 crores. The Bhartiya Group is coming up with the Leela residences at their Bhartiya City project in Bengaluru. Prices range from over 1 crore to 5 crores depending upon the size. And Oberoi Realty has the Ritz-Carlton residences in Mumbai's Worli area. Whatever the state of the economy, global hospitality majors are also showing confidence in the potential of this segment in India.
Residential is a big part of our growth strategy. Very optimistic about India for the long term. We would have liked to have had more hotels perhaps sooner in India.
But can you really find any takers for such big-ticket properties in a tapering market?
Price is a function of demand and supply and what input goes. We are actually very conscious of what prices to sell. So even at the design stage, we are not looking at per square foot price. We are looking at a ticket price, right? And we say that what is the ticket price at which I can enable lot more people to experience ultra luxury.
Property consultants JLL pegs the growth of this segment at 5 to 6% per annum. The big challenge for the Indian developer is quality execution and roping in the right audience for this niche segment. Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.